Hello neighbor, welcome to today's video. This past summer I bought a crochet kit where I could make the different characters of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. I'm just showing you the book now because I've already kind of destroyed the actual box the materials came in. And last time I made Mr. Rogers. This time I'm going to make the other character where the yarn is included in the kit for, which is Daniel's Striped Tiger, which, in all honesty, I was already starting to run out of yarn for Mr. Rogers, so when I'm in the process of making Daniel's Striped Tiger, for me the question isn't if I'm going to run out of yarn, the question is when. But I feel confident enough that even if I run out of yarn or whatnot, I will have enough dupes around my studio and somewhere in my yarn stash to find a replacement. So I'm just going to rearrange the camera real quick so you can actually see me crochet Daniel's Striped Tiger. Let the fun begin. someone's done, but he's feeling a little bit bashful. Daniel, you want to introduce yourself to the good people of the internet? I promise you, these are the good people of the internet. They're not scary. All right? Yeah? You can turn around. You can take a look. It's Daniel Striped Tiger, everybody. Say hi, Daniel. See, I'm not sure if the lighting's very good, but he actually has stripes. You know, despite the name Daniel Striped Tiger, actually making the stripes took me off guard. I didn't really remember stripes with the puppet, but then again, I don't remember much about watching the show. I just remembered that I watched it because, like, I was single digits. A lot of those memories are blurred by now. But he has a little wristwatch. And, I mean, do we have a close enough picture? I mean, this is kind of the picture that I'm comparing it to. So, I mean, pretty close, considering they didn't give me identical eyes. But I got, like, the little details. And also, yeah, it's, like in the show, it's actually a puppet. Although there was a lot of carry-on, like, internal carry-in with the different stripes, the different color changes, so there's a lot that the inside could snag on. It's a relatively nice pattern. As predicted, I ran out of the yarn, which is why you saw me make 3 ears instead of just 2, because if I'm going to lose a game of yarn chicken, I'm going to make it look intentional. But that means the arms and the ears are really, really soft. And oh my gosh. I didn't notice till just now, but I used the dark brown instead of the beige color to make his little mohawk. I'm not changing it now. He's stuck with the dark brown mohawk. Not that it's really going to make any difference. Yeah, I mean, even though it is, like, relatively top heavy, a nice, delightful puppet, honestly. Like, any kid would be lucky to get this, even though it's not a puppet in the same way that it is in the show. In the show, Daniel Striped Tiger is a hand puppet, where, like, Mr. Rogers, like, pinky and thumb, I think, controlled Daniel's hands, and his, like, other fingers were up in the puppet. Well, in this case, the pattern was for a finger puppet. Oh yeah, that's also why you never saw Mr. Rogers in the Land of Make-Believe. Well, part of it was he thought it'd be confusing if the kids saw him in both Make-Believe land, in the Land of Make-Believe and in real life. But also because Mr. Roger was the one who puppeteered all the puppets. So in reality, Mr. Rogers was actually there. He just was Daniel Striped Tiger and King Friday and Prince Tuesday and all the other ones, you know? Yeah. Have you had enough of the good people of the internet? Are you good? No? No? He's more curious now. He's trying to look at you guys. He's trying to see what you all look like. If you have food, he wants to taste it. There you go. I'm very happy with how this turned out. And I am very, very happy with how this turned out. So, next time, I will actually have to source the yarn myself, which, no biggie. I can do that. I mean, I still have a lot of this yarn left over, so I have a feeling I'm probably going to be using that for a couple of the other puppets. But, that was today's entertainment. Have a nice day.